friends, myself Sandhya. Today we will be learn about basic concept of thermodynamics. So first of all, what is thermodynamics? Thermo means heat and dynamics is motion, which implies flow of heat. This is called as thermodynamics. अब thermodynamics में तीन चीजें important होती है: system, surrounding and boundary. Suppose we consider the universe is making of system and surrounding. System क्या होता है कि it is a specified portion of matter under study which is separated from the rest of the universe. This is what the system is, and surrounding is what rest of the universe. So this system and surrounding is separated by interface. It's called as boundary. Boundary, it may be real or imaginary. First of all, what is types of system? कौन से types है? Open system, closed system and isolated system. Open system में क्या होता है? It can exchange matter as well as energy. In closed system, it can exchange only energy, not matter. And in isolated system, neither exchange energy nor matter. अब इनके एग्जाम्पल क्या ले सकते हैं हम? सपोज इन ओपन सिस्टम का एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? टीन ओपन कप. अगर हम टी को किसी चीज से कवर ना करें तो उसकी मैटर भी एक्सचेंज होगा और एनर्जी भी एक्सचेंज होगी, तो उसको बोलेंगे हम टीन ओपन कप मीन्स इट इज इन ओपन सिस्टम. इन क्लोज सिस्टम, टीन क्लोज्ड कप, it can exchange only energy but not matter. In isolated system, very famous example is thermos flask. Thermos flask में क्या होगा? एनर्जी भी एक्सचेंज नहीं होगी और मैटर भी एक्सचेंज नहीं होगा. This is the examples of open, closed and isolated systems. Now another two systems are heterogeneous system and homogeneous system. Homogeneous system means it is completely uniform throughout. For example, it is pure solid, liquid, mixture of gases are the example of homogeneous system. It consists only one phase. अब phase क्या होता है? phase diagram क्या होती है? ये हम phase diagram के चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. So now heterogeneous system which is not uniform throughout. Example लेना हो तो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू और मोर फेजेस. इसका एग्जांपल क्या आएगा? सपोज कुछ भी ले लो. सपोज हमने NaOH ले लिया प्लस शुगर. ये सिर्फ बोलने के लिए, सिर्फ इसका कोई मिक्सचर नहीं बनता. NaOH और शुगर. NaOH में हम शुगर के क्रिस्टल डाल दिए तो वो क्या हो गए? दो फेजेस हो गए. एवरी सॉलिड कंसिस्ट ऑफ two phases. This is what heterogeneous system. This is what heterogeneous system. Now we need to know what are the macroscopic properties, because thermodynamics is applicable to macroscopic properties. These macroscopic properties what? Pressure, volume, temperature, composition, density, viscosity, surface tension and refractive index. Now we will learn about thermodynamic equilibrium and their types. So first of all, what is thermodynamic equilibrium? Thermodynamic equilibrium is defined as system in which macroscopic properties do not undergo any change with time is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium. इसके तीन टाइप्स आते हैं: थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम, मैकेनिकल इक्विलिब्रियम and chemical equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means what? There is no flow of heat and temperature is same. Temperature is same. Then we can say system is in thermal equilibrium. In mechanical equilibrium, pressure and volume of system is not changing. So we can say it is in mechanical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium में क्या होता है? Rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction and overall moles of the system is constant. This is what chemical equilibrium. That's all about this video. In next video, we will learn about thermodynamic processes, concept of work, heat, and internal energy. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.